Hola, bonjour, konnichiwa, ni hao, sports fans all around the world. Welcome to Emil's Talk, a special segment on This or That Sports TV, where you and I can laugh, have discussions, and find solutions to pressing issues for yes people, the games we love. Don't forget, like this video, leave a comment, and share this video to as many people as possible. Why you have to do that? Come on, man. I want This or That Sports TV. Take off. Yeah, man, straight like that, people. Another email talk, and boy, I have to send another message. I have to come on here and send another message. What am I talking about, people? I've a few things to get out of my chest. There's two things. I want to keep this brief. I want to keep this as short as possible, people, yeah? So, let me start off with speaking about the Reggae girls. Now, many a times I'm sure the This or That Sports supporters, they've heard me come on this platform a lot of times and they hear me advocating for the Reggae girls, asking for more support, not only from fans, but from the administration as well. I am confused at times. Second time, the Reggae girls are making it to the World Cup. This is a historical moment for the girls, yes? Yeah. We have arguably the best female striker in the world, right? Yes. And it is confusing to me. Why aren't we celebrating our girls? For a nation, let me not get. I won't get into that thought. I'll leave that thought alone. I don't want to get this video strike down. So I'm not going to say what I was going to say a while ago. But people, we need to be showing our girls more love. There is no way on God's green earth we can be going to the World Cup. We can have the greatest female striker in the world recently getting her award as well. And we're not, there is no nice, there is no celebration, there is no nothing. I understand. Listen, the JFF will have to do better, you know. There has to be even a parade. Even a parade. You know? Let the people see the girls. Do a tour around the world, around the countryside, around the country, and showcase the girls. Let the fans, the footballing fans and the nation see our girls. Go through halfway through, go through. Hey, I don't know where no one go through the tour bus or whatever. It don't matter. We just want to highlight the girls. And for the traditional media as well. I'm not see you now. Boy, sometimes I wonder. You know what? Since I've entered this space and I've finally realized that Jamaica is definitely not a footballing nation. We are definitely not a football nation. I have come to that realization. For many years, I was deluded. There was a veil over my eyes, believing that, yeah, Jamaica, big footballing nation. Everybody love the football and really. It don't seem so to me. It doesn't seem so. So, people, I am begging you. These are the reasons why I create this video, you know. And I'm happy that I have this platform here, you know, so I can voice my opinions. You, the fans, are very, very important. Believe it or not, without you, none of this is possible. The football and everything, our support is vital. Because without the people, what got? Think about it, without the people, what would happen? So we as fans, we need to understand our worth and our importance to the football. So by liking this video and sharing this video, the right persons will see it and take action. That is why we're doing all of this. The girls need to be, you have to show more love to the girls. The girls have never disappointed us. At least not yet. But I can't see them disappointing us no time soon. I only can see sustainable success for the girls. And if our football and infrastructure gets better over time, I can boldly say this, for the talent level that we have in this country, one of these times we will win the World Cup, the Females World Cup. I can see it clearly. I would just need that final push, that final support. So I want to leave this first topic here with the fans. Take this, push it out there. I beg you. I could do a parade for the girls or something. The girls then can just go the World Cup for the second time, and we treat it like nothing. More while on the deal with the reggae girls like some garbage more while. I see the love. So I am hoping that this video can spark something. I am hoping that this video will reach the right persons. That is what I am hoping for. So people, let me know if you believe anyone will even take action or even think about making a parade for our girls. Make them tour around the place. JFF, wanna still have the YouTube. And I see when I post little and little, but I have to stay more consistent, you know. This is an opportunity. Talk to the reggae girls. Make the fans them get acquainted with the reggae girls. The season, the female league season are done by now. I'm pretty sure some of the leagues are so. They're either coming to an end or so. You can let me know in the comment section, but I am sure some of the reggae girls will make time to do some interviews so the people can get to know these girls. I am sure of it. So these are the things you have to take into consideration. And I am just hoping that we as a nation can treat our girls much better, because they deserve it. Never disappointed us yet. But yes, people, on to the final topic I want to talk about. I want to talk about the CAC games. The CAC games. Now, I believe it's sometime in June the 23rd or 24th, somewhere around that. It is right around the Gold Cup, this competition here. And I haven't heard about any camps. We haven't seen an official squad list. We don't know who the coach is. And there is no press conference. What is going on with the CAC games? What is going on with the CAC games? Many a times we call for transparency from the JFF. We just want to come out and just tell the truth. I don't understand. The JFF isn't there a public entity? Without the people, the JFF are nothing. So I am confused why the JFF withholding information for so long. And people, I have a theory, you know, and I hope my theory is completely incorrect. I hope my theory doesn't come. I just hope it don't happen, you know? I think, and this even goes for the U15 team as well. I believe that we put these things out there and we don't take any action and we just let it float there for a bit. But our main focus is the senior teams. The JFF claim that they love the youth football. They claim, but they don't show it. Here's the truth, people. There's not a lot of money being made when it comes on to youth football. There's not a lot of money being made with youth football. It's just a lot of sacrifice. And I humbly believe that the JFF is just putting aside the youth football in an attempt to put their focus on the senior teams, specifically the reggae boys, and ensuring that they get as much financial backing to go to these friendly games, to go to the Gold Cup and compete at a high level, the Nations League, and eventually the World Cup. That is what I think, people. So I just believe that the JFF has been stringing us along, and then at the final moment, they're going to just tell us that we won't be entering the CAC games. Just like what they did to the U15 team. People, you know, say some of the youth them post picture on Instagram, excited about the tournament. The U15 team. And look at that. And the JFF don't even have the decency for come out and do a press conference and make a public apology to not only the players and their parents, but to us as fans. Because when the flyer originally came out, you know, I am sure that all of the fans were so excited because we are get to see our young talented players compete against some of the best clubs in Europe. This would be a good showcase for our talented players, and I'm sure there would be a lot of scouts watching, which means more opportunity for our domestic players, our young domestic players. And look at that. Them string along the parents, string along the players. Yeah man, we are go. We are start out the passport, man. We are go. Yeah man, nowhere. And then last minute business. We can't go. How much longer will I continue the madness? How many times you hear me use the word professionalism? Being a professional. How much time you hear me say that? And those words, the word professional, it coming like that not in a JFF vocabulary at all. When we're going to end this farce, this madness, when it comes to our youth football, it's always a brand new foolishness. Something for upset the fans and the players and their parents. Why? So people, that is what I believe. So the competition, the CAC games are June 23rd, June 24th, just around the same time as the Gold Cup. We haven't, as I said, we haven't heard anything about a coach. We haven't heard anything about a squad list, an official squad list. We don't know about the preparation. There is no press conference being held. And we're in the month of June. You think we still have got the CAC games, people? Be honest. I don't see it happening. If it does happen, then we'll be going there with zero preparation then. Can nobody not talk to you? What kind of preparation is going on to ensure that if we do enter this competition, or if we already entered, we'll be putting on a good showing. We won't go there to embarrass ourselves. Because it look like that is what we love to do, you know. The JFF just love embarrass themselves. We just pick a one but a player and just fling them out there. And if we're already entered into this competition, I will pull out at short notice. We'll probably get a fine or something like that. more money out of the JFF coffers. So another video screaming for transparency. Come and tell the fans the truth. Stop stringing along fans. Stop stringing along players. Let us know what is happening. We are in the dark. We are in the dark. But yes, people, that's the end of Email Talk. Don't forget, like this video, leave a comment, and share this video to as many people as possible. People, very important to know. Let me know. You think we can ever see a parade for the reggae girls? Do you believe that we are showing enough love to the reggae girls? People, let me know. You think we can will still be a part of the CAC games? Just looking at the situation right now, as it stands. You really believe that we'll be going to the CAC games? I hope I'm wrong. I really hope I'm wrong. But yes, people, as I said, that's the end of the video. Pray and hope that everyone who is watching this video, you'll have a wonderful day. Bye for now.